Welcome to this tutorial on integrating your iGOT Karmayogi Training Data with your SPARROW APAR. To begin, log into the SPARROW application using your NIC email ID or employee's ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu, click on Inbox tab and click on My PAR to access your appraisal reports. Automatic data fetching. Locate the row for the current assessment year. Click on PAR ID link to open your self-appraisal form. Navigate to Part 2 of self-appraisal, scroll down, find the section Mandatory Courses and Comprehensive Assessments. You can see the status of your mandatory courses and comprehensive assessments. In case the data is not fetched automatically, go to this icon on the right side under Self-Appraisal to fetch data. Click it to initiate the connection with the iGOT Karmayogi server. A pop-up window will appear. By default, the system tries to match your SPARROW email with your iGOT email. This is a crucial step. If your SPARROW email is different from your iGOT login, or if the data doesn't pull automatically, enter your iGOT registered mobile number or email ID in this text box to bridge this account. Now click Submit. If the fetch is successful, the system will populate your mandatory courses and comprehensive assessment details in the respective rows. But if you are still unable to see your data, then there is a possibility that your iGOT profile is not updated. To update your profile, please use this link to watch our YouTube tutorial that guides you through the entire process. And then try Scenario 1 or Scenario 2 again. If the data is still not fetching after entering your correct details, you need to raise a support ticket on iGOT Karmayogi platform to resolve the issue. Look for the banner at the top of your screen that says, "Click here for any issues on APAR training plan, comprehensive assessment or iGOT SPARROW integration." Click on this link. A Submit a Support Request form will appear. A precise description helps the technical team understand and resolve your issue much faster. Manual upload of certificates for mandatory courses and comprehensive assessments. If you have completed all your mandatory courses and comprehensive assessments but you are unable to fetch the details either through Scenario 1 or Scenario 2, you may upload the certificates of your mandatory courses and comprehensive assessments in the reference section of your APAR. This option is available at the bottom of the self-appraisal section. Click the Choose File button on the right, browse your certificate from your system, attach it, and then save as draft to complete the process. Even if you have raised a ticket as per Scenario 3, it is recommended that you upload the relevant certificates as suggested in Scenario 4 if the section Mandatory Courses and Comprehensive Assessments doesn't reflect your status correctly. Along with uploading your certificates, document your targets by listing the assigned mandatory iGOT Karmayogi courses and your achievements by noting their completion and completion of your comprehensive assessment. Thank you for watching this tutorial and taking the time to strengthen your APAR and iGOT integration process.